Welcome back to part 2 of my shoulder opening video series. In this one, we're going to look at Garadasana, the eagle pose. So because our shoulders are ball and socket joints, we want to make sure that we stretch them in kind of all around, make sure that we get to all the spots. So this one, we're going to inhale, bringing our arms all the way up. Same thing, keep that regulated tension in between your hands, almost like you're lifting something up towards the ceiling, but you can't drop it, so make sure you keep holding here. Now this time as we exhale, we'll bring our arms down just to shoulder height. And I like to right here extend my thumb back as I lift my pinky up. You're gonna find you get a little bit of extra juiciness right into the shoulders there. And then on your next exhale, we're gonna wind deeply here where we take our right arm under our left arm and just start to reach back to grab behind us to give ourselves kind of like a big hug. Now keep the elbows in line with the floor, keep your chin in line with the floor, and keep maintaining that nice long spine here. So as you lift up with the crown of your head, tucking the tailbone down and just using it again to keep moving your shoulders so you can walk your fingers back and create that stretch. And then we'll inhale, bring the arms all the way back out. Again, extend the thumbs back, open the shoulders up a little bit more, and then you can repeat this again. So you can either repeat the hug, or if you are a little bit more flexible here, you can start to wrap your arms and come into Garadasana, the eagle pose. Again, in this pose, I'm going to keep moving my elbows away from my shoulders, and that's going to keep the stretch there as I draw my thumbs down towards my forehead. And you can stay here for 30 seconds to start, moving up to about a minute as you feel a little bit more flexibility occurring in your shoulders. And then as you inhale, unwind the arms, stretch them all the way out. And then I would inhale back up to start here, keep that regulated tension, and then let's do the other side. So inhale, lift and lengthening, keeping all that length in my spine, tailbone tucking, abdomen drawing back. Bring a little bit of downward motion into the shoulder blades to keep my shoulders moving away from my ears as I bring my arms back down. Draw the thumbs back, opening the shoulders a little bit more. Exhaling, bringing that left arm under my right arm this time, grabbing that hug. So as I walk my fingers back on my shoulder blades, elbows stay level with the floor, keep the chin in line with the floor, and crown of the head keeps lifting up. Keep moving those shoulders away from the ears. You want to keep as much length here as you can. Remember, we're working just in the shoulders. And then inhaling, bringing the arms all the way back. Make sure you open the pinky up, thumb goes down, and then Garadasana on the other side. So either repeating the hug or wrapping your hands around again, elbows moving away from you, thumbs moving towards your forehead. Garadasana, the eagle pose. Keeping the spine nice and long, keeping the breath moving nice and smoothly, staying here for either 30 seconds or up to a minute, depending on your comfort level. And then you can release the arms one last time, giving that thumb a little stretch towards the back, and then arms can come back to namaste. Garadasana, that's one of my favorite poses. Make sure that you give this one a try and leave some comments below if it's working for you with your shoulders. If you're new to this channel, make sure that you subscribe and ring that bell so that you get notified for part 3.